How's it going, guys? This is Chris Ewan Crosby with a quick video on how to get Windows 10 updated so that you can use the most latest versions of Lightroom CC. There was an update in February of 2019 as well as recently in May of 2019, and if you're not running the most recent versions of Windows, then you won't be able to use them. Before I did this video, I wasn't able to use one of the key functions, which is the enhanced detail function, which requires the latest versions of Windows, which was actually released in October of 2018, but my computer wasn't updating and we're well into May of 2019. So if you're having the same issue that I have, and when you right click on your photos in the develop panel and you see this enhanced detail function, and you aren't able to use it and it's saying to update Windows, I'll show you how to make sure that your Windows is the most updated version. So first, what I'd like you to do is, if you are on Windows, go to Start and type in WinVer and hit enter. You should get a window that pops up like this, and it'll tell you your most recent version. Now, I'm on version 1903, which was the May 2019 release, but I believe the version you need is 1809. So make sure that you are on Windows version 1809 or greater, and if you're not, that's probably why you're watching this video. So to make sure that Windows updates, go ahead and go to Start, go to Settings, which here is this little gear icon, and then you want to go up into Update and Security, and then you want to go here to Windows Update and check for updates. Now, if for some reason after this update you go back and do the Start and WinVer and it's still not working correctly, then you need to go ahead and manually force the update. And the way to do that is by simply going and doing this. What I did is I typed in Lightroom Enhanced Details, and then I went down to this link here, which is Enhanced Details in Lightroom, and it's from the Adobe Help Center. And so I clicked this, and then it gives you the system requirements here. Now, if you want to get the update for 2018 and you haven't, then click this link here, and it will take you to get the update, but now it should show you to get the update for May 2019. Now, it tells you if you want to install the update to do the thing we just did before, but if that's not working for you, which it did not for me, then what you need to do is use the Update Assistant. You'll go ahead and click this and click Update Now, and what you do is simply click here and download this to your desktop and then run that program and allow Windows to update. You'll have to quit all other applications as after the update is done preparing, but you'll be able to work while it does. I will mention that this update does take quite a bit of time, and you will need to basically allow for that time for that update to happen. Now, if you are on Mac OS, the requirement for Mac OS is to make sure that you have OS High Sierra version 10.103 or later, and if you don't, then you need to update there. But I'm mostly covering Windows because that's what I'm on, and those were the issues that I saw. Now, after you have installed that Windows update, you also need to make sure that you're on the most recent version of Lightroom. If you weren't seeing enhanced details, then make sure that you update your Creative Cloud. Open up your Creative Cloud app and make sure that all of your installed apps are up to date. And they will say update if there is an update needed. You can also go up here and check for app updates here if it hasn't updated, just to make sure you're on the most recent versions. I will mention that this update that I'm talking about, and specifically the detail enhancement, came after the October update for Windows, and you will need it if you are going to have the detail enhancement. So now that you've installed, you should be able to right-click, click Detail Enhance, or Enhance Details rather, and it should open up this box and provide a preview for you. Alright guys, well I hope that you found this video tutorial. If you have any questions about getting the detail enhancement preview working, please leave me a comment and I can help you out the best that I can. In my next video, which will be coming out in the next few days, I will be talking about the detail enhance feature and comparing all of these photos that you see down here with before and afters. So make sure that you stick around to see that and see what this feature does. As always, guys, thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I'll be providing more content for you here in the near future, so if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now.